Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, I would like to share with you on how you can log in to Socrative for self-access activity. So here are the steps for you. Step number 1. You have to go to this link. I will share with you the link later in our Google Classroom. And then you write down the room name. I will give you the room name for each of the section that I have created, so that you log in using that room name. For example, UHL2412 SAA 31G. So we have 4 sections, 31G, 33G, 34G, and 36G. So in the Google Classroom, I will share with you the link, and then I will share with you the room name. So please write down the room name once you log in to the link or Socrative account, and then you key in the room name, or you write down the room name UHL2412 SAA 31G or 33G or 34G or 36G. Then you click join. After that, you are required to enter your metric number followed by your first name. So just make sure you key in your metric number followed by your first name. Let's say if your name starts with Muhammad and there are also 3 other people named Muhammad in the same section, you don't have to worry. Okay, you just need to key in your metric number because it will be different from the others, and then you key in your first name. So for example, your metric number is AA19007 Muhammad. The second person who has the same name as you, Muhammad as well, so his ID number or metric number will be, for example, SA19123. So you don't have to worry about that. Once you have keyed in your metric number and your first name, click done, and you can start answering all of the questions. Then, okay, so this is what you're supposed to do. In the first part, you are supposed to write the room name. Okay, I will give you the room name in the Google Classroom together with the link to Socrative. And then you have to enter your name, okay, your ID number, followed your first name, followed by your first name. Okay, once you click done, and then if it is appear to be like this in red, it means that the test or the quiz has not been launched. Okay, if it has been launched, right, you will go straight away to the quiz and you can answer the question. Alright, so if the quiz has been launched, this prompt will appear after the room name. Students write the metric number and first name and then click done. So if once you log in to the room name, for example, here you click join, and if it appears in red, meaning that the quiz has not been launched. So once it has been launched, you can enter your metric number first, followed by your first name. Then you can start answering the questions. So for example, there are, not example actually, but there are 55 questions. So let's say this is the first question. You read the question carefully, and then you look at the options or the possible answers given, and then you click the right answer. So once you have completed answering all of the 55 questions, okay, when you have answered all of the quiz or all of the question, do not forget to click finish quiz, and then you log out. Okay, so basically, these are the steps for you. Number 1, you go to this link. I will give this in our Google Classroom. And then you key in the room name, UHL2412 SAA 31G or 33G or 34G or 36G. Then you click join. So once you can enter the room, you enter your name, metric number, followed by your first name. So example given here, let's say there are several people in the same section has the same or the same name. So just key in your first name as usual. You don't have to worry, because what makes you different from the others is the ID number or the metric number. Then you click done and you can start answering all of the questions. Again, this is step number 1. Alright, you have to key in the room name, and then if it appears to be like this, meaning that the quiz has not been launched, I will launch the quiz. Once it is okay, then you can enter your name and metric number followed by your first name, and then you can start answering the question. So this is one of the examples of the question. So you answer all of the questions. There are 55 of it. Once you have finished, do not forget to click finish quiz, and then you log out from the system. So that's all from me. Good luck. Assalamualaikum and goodbye.